manner. To impart the importance of sports and games in our school, we conduct various sports and games in the school and also celebrate Sports Day every alternate year. Haryo, I take the privilege of inviting you all for today's ravishing, dazzling, spellbound 26th Annual Sports Day celebrations of our school. Once again, I cordially welcome one and all for today's celebrations. Blessed is he who spends his days and nights keeping God's name on his lips and his image in his heart. Before we begin our 26th Annual Sports Day celebrations, let us pray Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of learning of arts, music and wisdom, who is the ruling deity of fine arts and literature. As the goddess of learning, Saraswati is particularly associated with the schools, children, scholars and researchers. At the commencement of all the functions associated with the learning, Ma Saraswati must be worshipped. Our students are going to pray Goddess Saraswati to protect them and bless them with a pure knowledge, free from dullness of intellect. They are also praying her to remove their lethargy, sluggishness and ignorance towards learning. Presenting a prayer song. And Commission of Information and Public Relations. He was connected with many cultural organizations in the state. During his tenure as a TTD EO, he popularized many initiatives like Kalyana Vastu. He worked in many senior positions in various departments. After retirement, he plunged into politics by joining Telangana Rashtra Samiti. He is the first IAS officer to join the party immediately after the retirement. He is a genuine Telangana activist. He is an able administrator. I cordially invite Sri K.V. Ramanachari, IAS, today's chief guest, onto the dais. I welcome you, sir, for today's 26th Annual Sports Day celebrations. Chairman and Managing Director of Ashwini Group, one of the leading business houses of AP, leading in homeopathy, Ayurvedic and herbal products. A telecom engineer by profession, he started his career in 1970s by establishing 2 telecoms. It inspired him to change over from electronics to consumer industry. The herbal ingredients and the quality of the Ashwini products has won the hearts of the people world over. Ashwini Charitable Trust is a simple example of philanthropic spirit of the group. My heartfelt welcome to Sri P.H.V. Subbarao Garu for today's Sports Day celebrations. Ex-Chairman, Municipal MCH Kukatpalli, the Chief Patron of our school, as a guest of honor for the occasion, Sri C.H. Hanumantrao Garu, a guest of honor. Thank you, sir. He is the President of Swami Vivekananda Samiti Educational Trust. He is the President of Hindu Public School, Sanat Nagar. Hindu Techno School Chintal, Hindu Degree College for Women, Hindu Junior College for Girls, Sanat Nagar. He is highly qualified administrator who regularly monitor the academics. Under his able guidance, the schools and the college are running successfully. People, average minds discuss events. Great minds, all the students of Hindu Public School would have greater minds. My heartfelt welcome to you, sir, for today's Sports Day celebration. Chairperson, Sri Burgala Shyam Sundar, sir. She is a social worker who is serving the poor people. She is a vice chairman of Swami Vivekananda Seva Samiti Educational Trust and our school. Party. He is associated with Swami Vivekananda Educational Trust. He believes that education is not the filling of a pen, making us courageous and energetic to face life boldly. He is the treasurer, his son of late Sri D. Malesh Gupta, the founder trustee who had value-based, respectable and successful symposia and also published 8 scientific papers in national and international journals. She is young, dynamic, ambitious and sincere. She had to work and who feels inner self in his unity of all existence. She also believes that the ultimate goal of the education system is to shift to the individual the burden of pursuing his education. She is striving hard to develop self-confidence to come onto the stage. I invite Mrs. Rekha Wandi, Principal, Hindu Tech. Thank you all. Our school captain, Master Yashasvi, Vice Captain Mithuna, along with some other students who have gathered in this ground. I request our school captain, Master Yashasvi, to hand over the victory torch to our today's chief guest, Sri K.V. Ramanachari, to light the lamp. Thank you, sir, and it's my humble request to unfold our school flag before we start our today's. Thank you, sir, and I also request you to
I declare 26th Annual Sports Day celebrations open.
Thank you, sir. March past is a concept towards building team spirit, discipline and coordination, among young students, a feeling of patriotism, a sense of belonging and pride towards our nation. Moving ahead and leading the march past is our school captain, Master Yashashvi, followed by discipline, National Cadet Corps, Master Yashashvi, school captain, saluting our chief guest Miduna, the flag bearer. Sai Vishnu and Sri Vidya are leading NCC cadets. I request all the parents to clap so that they'll get motivated. NCC is followed by Satyam House. R. Rahul and Shreya are leading Satyam House. Satyam, truthfulness. Truth involves qualities. Master Rahul, saluting the chief guest, Shreya, the flag bearer. Satyam House is represented by green color, the color of nature. It symbolizes self-respect and well-being. Green says growth, balance and harmony. It's a color of healthy relationship. Satyam House is followed by Shanti House. Shanti, which means peace. Peace cannot be achieved through violence. It can only be attained through understanding. It's important for well-being where people live in harmony. It makes life and earth worth living. Shanti House is represented by orange color. Orange is the color of power, which stimulates enthusiasm and creativity. Satyam House is led by Rahul and Sharanya. Shanti House is followed by Shraddha, which means dedication. Dedication is not what others expect of you, it is what you can give to others. Dedication leads to success in life. Shraddha House is represented by yellow color, which is full of creative and intellectual energy. It symbolizes wisdom. It brings clarity and awareness, clears the mind, making it active and alert. Pawan Tripathi and Madhumita are leading Shraddha House. Pawan Tripathi, Shraddha House captain, is saluting our chief guest. Madhumita is the flag bearer. Shraddha House is followed by Saushalya. Means good character. Character is a complex of mental and ethical traits, and those qualities are built into individual's life. Good character is doing the right thing. Character development is essential to the ongoing success to our society. Saushalya House is represented by blue color, which is the coolest color, color of inspiration, sincerity and spirituality. Nitish Kumar Saha and Snehal are leading Saushalya House. Saushalya House is followed by class 11 students.